Last year we stick this English laurel and also some of the skip laurel into pot, and let me see the result. How they rooted or if they didn't root. Let's try. All right, so beautiful. Oh, it looks like all of them rooted. All of them have new growth. So let me try with this. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Fantastic. It has beautiful root. Wow. So it has so many roots. I'm going to put them in pot. Let me take them out one by one. Oh wow, that's another one. It has, all right, another one. Let me stick that out. Ooh, it has beautiful root here. Let me take all of them. Oh, it has a little few roots. And then beautiful root. Let me take it. Whoa, beautiful roots here. And then finally few more, and then has roots. Wow, all of them rooted, and this one is rooted, but I see some, it's like maybe the soil was clogged here. I think it might not survive. It looks like it is kind of dead. Maybe something is lacking here. But I would say 99.9% rooted. Success! Yay! So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And as I said, one died. I will just put it here. But only one died. So I'm going to pot them in this pot, and this is organic natural soil that we made at home. My family also helped to prepare this. We use our garden soil, also some, as you can see, some leaves. It has all micronutrients. I'm going to put them in pot here, and okay, it's ready. And then after about 4 weeks, I can sell this for $10, or if I wait few more months, maybe $15. The money I make by selling plant I use for ecological and ecopreneurship education, or we call it peace education. We combine ecological and ecopreneurship education. So that's what we are going to do through a non-profit. All right, let me do some more. This is dried leaves. I'm going to put right here. They will just make compost, good compost here, because it has all micronutrients. So I don't need to do extra job for that. My daughter is helping me to plant. She is also my helper, my
5-year-old daughter.
Yes, my 5-year-old daughter. Yes, you are right. And she is my business partner here. This is our ecopreneurship. So yes, Sadhu, you are ready, Sadhu? Wow, this has a beautiful root. Maybe you can try here, and then yeah, you are doing great, Sadhu. My daughter is doing. Yeah, please do it. Yeah, put more, and then yeah, like this. And
Wow, good job, Sadhu.
Sadhu, good job. And then maybe you can push a little bit here.
What is this?
Oh, you can just put there. There, just compost.
I see.
Whatever you have there, this will be fertilizer, Sadhu.
Do you like plants, Sadhu? I like plants and flowers.
Oh, plant has flower.
No, you told me that. Yes, yesterday.
I told you yesterday.
Yes. Is that enough?
Make them stand right there.
I new plant I make.
Wow, so that's so beautiful. That's your plant, Sadhu.
I have a new plant I made for me, so a video will come to me.
Yeah, you are funny, Sadhu. Funny girl.
Mama,
Oh.
what is this animal?
What that? Oh, it's an insect.
What in the
Oh,
world?
wow. It's good for our soil. Maybe let it go there. It says house. His house is there. So just let it be there.
Mama,
Azul.
but what is that? What is that insect?
Supposed to look like caterpillar.
Yeah. So this one I have. I'm just sticking right here.
Teacher doesn't like
If it survives, it's okay. It doesn't survive, that's fine. Now we have 12 plants and almost all of them rooted, and only one did maybe the root rot.
I have a question, Dr. Dhakal.
Okay, please go ahead. And before that, let me just say, my daughter is here. Say hello to camera women. Yes.
I want to know, why do you propagate these plants?
Thank you for the question. I'm propagating plant because this is my passion. My daughter and my other two children, they are also helping. I want children and youth learn about the importance of plant. I want them to know how they can become steward of ecology, how they can learn concept of ecopreneurship, how they can make money, even make money by doing good thing. And not only that, plants are good for environment. Plant, as you can see all over my house, we have skip, cherry, laurel, and many different type of plant. Plant not only gives oxygen, they also protect our soil from erosion. On the side of my property, they are helping in that sense. They give shade, they make this front yard environment little cooler, and also they look beautiful. They are artistic and they look beautiful. They can add value to my property too. So in many ways, I'm propagating plant because my passion is to educate children and youth, especially ecological and ecopreneurship education. I would say it is peace education. So, and we are doing that through a non-profit. And please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Wow. Thank you for sharing.
Doctor is helping me to water the plant. Yes, that's great. Keep going, Sadhu, keep going. Keep going, more, little more. Yes, you are doing great. Yes, a little more. Yes, keep going. Yeah, put all. Yeah, right there. Yes, wonderful. More, all. Yeah. Great. Again. Oh, wow, Sadhu. That's so good. Yeah, I think this 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yeah. Yes. And that one right there. Yes. Yeah, and the last one. Thank you, dear.